The K4 Compact is part of the range of pressure washers developed by the world's #1 manufacturer, Karcher. With no assembly required, the K4 Compact is ready to use straight out of the box. And with storage on the machine for all accessories, everything you need to clean any surface is always available. The telescopic handle allows you to move the machine easily, whilst the quick connect hose and lance fitting makes cleaning simple and quick. Including a Vario and Dirt Blaster lance, the K4 Compact will tackle any cleaning task around the home. It's perfect for paving and decking, brick and stone walls, wood, plastic, and of course, cars. The Vario lance gives you the control to apply detergent and adjust the water pressure. The K4 Compact comes with a 3-year warranty.